In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region in Steam. If you've actually moved to a new country, this walkthrough will show you how to update your Steam store region safely and in line with Steam's rules. First, you must genuinely be in your new country. Steam detects your location primarily through your IP address, so make sure you're connected to the internet from that new location. Use local Wi-Fi, home broadband, or a local mobile data connection, anything that assigns you a local IP. Once your device is online in the new country, you've met the most important requirement. Next, open the Steam app on your computer. Click your profile name in the top right, choose Account Details, then look for the Store and Purchase History section. There you'll see the option to update store country. Select your new country from the list. Steam will ask for a billing address in that country because your store region has to match a real, local payment method. Enter a legitimate billing address and be ready to complete a purchase using a payment option issued in that country, such as a local bank card or regional wallet. In many cases, Steam also offers to update your store country during checkout. If you meet the conditions, your IP shows the new location and your payment method is local, you'll see a prompt to switch as you finalize the purchase. Confirm the change, complete the transaction, and your store currency and regional catalog will update accordingly. A quick but important warning: do not use a VPN or any method to fake your location. That violates Steam's terms and can lead to purchase blocks or even permanent account suspension. Only proceed if you've legitimately relocated. After the change, expect your prices to appear in the local currency, and game availability may differ because some titles are region-specific. Your existing game library will remain intact and playable. The region update affects the store and pricing, not what you already own. If you've truly moved and you can't get the option to appear, reach out to Steam support and explain your situation. They review legitimate relocations and can help finalize the change where appropriate. That's all it. Thanks for watching.